Hi friends, it's Jenny and I have two things to talk to you about today. The first is it is home improvement trade show season and we have several coming up. I'm going to give you details at the end of this video. For the remainder of this video though, we're going to talk about millwork. Millwork is the trim and woodwork package in the house. So let's get all of our terminology straight so we all are on the same page. Okay. This is a door, obviously, and we have casing. Generally in residential construction, you're going to have casing around a door. Okay, if you follow down, this is base. Again, you almost always have base in a house. Now the size of these can vary based on the room size and the ceiling height. A lot of times we like to keep these in proportion with the ceiling height in the room. Okay, on hard surface floors, we almost always have shoe or quarter round, which is this little rounded piece at the bottom. Now, if we go into the bedroom, you'll notice that on the carpet, we have base, but no shoe. Generally, with carpeting, there isn't that quarter round or shoe detail. Windows, not to confuse you, sometimes have casing, sometimes don't. I know it can be confusing, but this is called a drywall wrap window, no casing. Some other millwork terminology that you might want to know, and check out the following pictures. We'll put the name with the picture of what we're talking about. Shiplap, chairs and squares, wainscoting, beadboard, and I already said shiplap. That's enough. Okay, so these are millwork details you might see or be interested in, and let's get our terminology straight so you know what to ask for. Okay, so regarding the show, if you live in the northwest suburbs of Chicago, I'm going to be at the Crystal Lake Holiday Inn at the Home and Garden Show Saturday and Sunday. I know it's Super Bowl Sunday. You can get home in time and still come to the show if you want. We can talk in person about any projects you might have coming up. See you soon.